Water pooling around your sink base is a total pain, but resealing it with silicone caulk is a simple fix you can totally handle yourself. So first, grab some clear silicone caulk from your local hardware store, because it won't mess with your sink's look. Before you start, make sure the area around the sink is completely dry, or that caulk won't stick right. Then, scrape off any old caulk or gunk with a putty knife or even a plastic scraper. Just don't use anything too sharp that could damage the sink. Once it's clean, tape off the edges around the sink base so your caulk line looks neat and tidy. Cut the caulk tube tip at a 45-degree angle, making a small opening to control the flow better. Apply steady pressure on the caulk gun and run a smooth bead around the sink base where it meets the countertop. After you finish, wet your finger or a caulk tool and gently smooth out the bead for a clean finish. Let it cure for at least 24 hours before using the sink again so it seals perfectly and stops that annoying water pooling. One of the biggest mistakes people make when resealing sinks is not cleaning the area well enough, which leads to bad adhesion and leaks. So always clean and dry thoroughly. Another common issue is cutting too big of a hole in the caulk tube, causing messy application. Keep that cut small and controlled. Lastly, rushing through curing time means the caulk doesn't set properly, so be patient and let it dry fully before touching it or using the sink. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about hiring. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great spot to connect with homeowners who actually need your skills and want the job done right.